January 2004, and Product Enterprise Ltd launched its new series of models based on the 1975 series Space 1999. These quarter studio scale 12-inch die-cast models were based on a range of Eagle transporter models as seen in the TV series. First to be released was the standard Eagle transporter. This model was to be limited to a maximum production run of 6,000 units and priced at a very reasonable £39.99 in the UK. This soon became a must for any Space 1999 fan. Fans got to see extensive footage of the Eagle transporter in the initial Space 1999 episode Breakaway. The model is of robust construction with a good paint finish and detailing of the decals. By releasing two catches on the central pod unit, the pod can be detached from the spine of the Eagle transporter. The most obvious difference between this model and the model as seen in the TV series is that the interior of the cage sections has been finished in a dark grey rather than the lighter colour to match the rest of the Eagle. The next in the sequence of die-cast models to be released was the Rescue Eagle. So in May 2004, this came onto the market in the UK at a price of £49.99. This Rescue Eagle variant is exactly the same as the Transporter Eagle in both finish and function, with the exception of the addition of the red stripes on the central pod unit. It is debated that the thickness of the lines on this model are slightly too thin. The next model release is something you will not see on the TV series. It is a Chrome Eagle. This model was obviously targeted for the collector. A series of 500 was produced for the San Diego Comic-Con in 2004, but they were also available elsewhere. Shown here is the two boxes, one the standard and the second from the San Diego Comic-Con. Released in August 2004 at £69.99 in the UK, I think this is either a love it or hate it model. 1 month later, Product Enterprise launched its Gold Eagle. This 22-karat gold plated limited edition 500 series model came with a letter of authenticity signed by Jerry Anderson. The model came in a presentation case that had a red internal liner. Originally priced at £99.99, a collector could expect to pay well in excess of £500 now for one of these models, with the box in good condition and complete with the outer sleeve liner. Fans had to wait until February 2005 for the next release. The Freighter Eagle was priced at £39.99 and featured extensively in the pilot episode Breakaway. This model comes with the winch assembly comprising two drums on the central skid and a piece of string attaching the magnetic pickup. The most noticeable error with this model is again with the application of dark grey paint, this time on the winding mechanisms. February 2005 also saw the release of the Laboratory Eagle. This special edition model apparently retailed for £39.99 in the UK, but it seems like it's an awful lot of model for the price. The central detachable laboratory pod is extremely robust, making this model the heaviest of the die-cast series. The Laboratory Eagle would feature again in November 2006 when it was included as part of a gift set. In addition to the Laboratory Eagle, the set included top-mounted booster rockets, a laser tank and moon buggy. With the gift set Laboratory Eagle, the dark grey detailing behind the cages had now been altered and now matched the colour of the rest of the Eagle. Also in November 2006, the last Eagle model came to market. The VIP Eagle was only briefly seen in the TV series. Featured in only a couple of short clips in the initial pilot episode, it brought Commissioner Simmons to Moonbase. Again, the dark grey detailing behind the cage sections have been corrected, with the paint now matching the finish of the eagle. The application of the orange makes this eagle stand out against the rest. For some reason, I really like this model. I think it's a great conclusion to the series of models produced by Product Enterprise. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at the diecast series from Product Enterprise. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Let us know in the comments section if you have a favourite eagle or own any of this collection, and I truly hope that you look after your eagles better than the Alphans.